Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Minecraft Java is installed and the launcher is open. Once ready, choose Sign in with Microsoft. This kicks off the migration flow so the game links to a Microsoft account. You'll need an email or phone to verify, so have that handy. Make a strong password and remember it. Passwords protect your purchases and worlds. Once done, the launcher opens a browser window where you'll actually create or finish your Microsoft account details before returning to the game. You now complete the Microsoft sign-up form in the browser window the launcher opened. Enter your email or phone, make a secure password, and add your birth date so age-specific settings apply. Next, check your inbox or messages for the verification code and type it in. This step confirms ownership. Make security choices like two-step verification if you want extra protection. Once verified, the flow asks to link Minecraft. Accept and grant the required permissions so your game profile migrates. You finish by returning to the Minecraft launcher, where the sign-in should complete and display your Microsoft gamertag. Make sure your skins, worlds, and purchases are visible. Sometimes assets need a restart of the launcher to sync. If something fails, try clearing the launcher cache, signing out then back in, or repeating the verification step. These resolve most hiccups. Keep the verification email or phone accessible in case you need to re-authenticate, and enable two-step verification later for added account security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.